We're starting a series of videos about investments and the way in which the investments actually grow at a given interest rate. For today, we're going to take a very simple case. We're going to take an initial investment of $1. We have a monthly interest R. This is in percent. And we have a capitalization that's done monthly. And the duration is over N months. So the question is, what is the amount of money? What is the growth rate of this initial investment? Let's see what happens in the first month. Let's take month one. We have our initial dollar plus the interest rates R. Second month, we have 1 plus R, that is the previous month, plus the R interest rate applied to the value of the previous month. So we have 1 plus R times R. And this equals, we can factor here 1 plus R, it's 1 plus R, and it's 1 plus R to the power of 2. Now, we can assume at some point that in the month number k, we will have 1 plus R to the power of k. And we want to make a proof now by induction that mk plus 1 is equal 1 plus 1 to the power k plus 1. So knowing this and having checked for m1 of m2, let's see if we can prove this one. Now, if we look here, we see that mk plus 1 is always equal to the value that's the amount of previous month, that is this one, plus r times 1 plus r to the power of k. This is because, well, there's been 1 month since month k to month k plus 1, and the interest r has to be again applied. Now, easily we can factor again 1 plus r to the power of k. 1 plus r, and this is 1 plus r to the power k plus 1. So we've checked our formula for m1, m2. It stands. We assumed it's valid for k, and we wanted to prove this one right here. And we have seen that, taken in consideration, this formula actually stands. So what does this mean? It means that for n months of investment, with an initial invest of $1, considering that the monthly interest is R and the actual capitalization is done monthly, m of n it's equal 1 plus R to the power of n. This is the amount of money that you will have if you keep your money in the bank or in an investment fund with a constant monthly R rate for n months.